If you're looking for the best slow cooker for your kitchen, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving deep into 5 exceptional models that bring unique features and cooking benefits to the table so you can find the one that perfectly fits your lifestyle. Whether you want precision temperature control, multifunction versatility, or timeless craftsmanship, you'll see exactly what each of these top-rated slow cooker options can do for you in real-world cooking. And remember, I've included links to the current prices for each product in the description box below, so you can check them out while you watch. Let's start with the Hamilton Beach Set and Forget Slow Cooker. This model is all about giving you peace of mind while delivering consistently delicious results. You'll appreciate the built-in temperature probe, which allows you to monitor the internal temperature of your meat without lifting the lid, ensuring roasts and poultry are cooked perfectly every time. The programmable controls let you set the cooking time and temperature, and once your meal is ready, it automatically switches to a keep warm mode, so dinner is hot and ready when you are. The locking lid is a thoughtful touch, making it ideal for transporting your dish to potlucks or family gatherings without spills. When you use the Hamilton Beach Set and Forget, you'll notice how it simplifies meal prep without sacrificing quality. The generous 6-quart capacity means you can cook for a crowd, while the 3 cooking modes, probe, program, and manual, give you complete flexibility depending on the recipe. The digital display is clear and easy to read, so you can check your settings at a glance, and the intuitive interface means there's no learning curve. You can set it in the morning and come home to a perfectly cooked meal with no guesswork involved. The design is sturdy and functional, built to handle frequent use while still looking sleek on your countertop. The stoneware insert is removable and dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and painless after a long day. You'll also appreciate how evenly it cooks, maintaining a steady temperature throughout the cooking process, so every bite is tender and flavorful. For busy households, the Hamilton Beach Set and Forget is a real time saver. Whether you're making a hearty chili, a delicate stew, or a slow-cooked roast, you can trust it to deliver consistent results. The combination of precise temperature monitoring, programmable convenience, and portability makes it a dependable kitchen companion you'll reach for again and again. A strong contender in any slow cooker comparison. Now let's move on to the Cuisinart Cook Central. This slow cooker stands out because it's more than just a slow cooker. It's a true multi-cooker with the ability to slow cook, sauté, brown, and steam, all in one appliance. That means you can start by browning your meat directly in the non-stick cooking pot, then switch to slow cooking without dirtying another pan. For those wondering what is the best slow cooker with browning feature, this one certainly deserves a spot on your shortlist. The 6-quart capacity is perfect for family meals or batch cooking, and the easy-to-use control panel lets you set the time and temperature for each function with precision. With the Cuisinart Cook Central, you'll love how seamlessly you can transition between cooking methods. If you're making a braised dish, you can sauté onions and garlic to build flavor, then add your liquids and switch to low or high slow cooking mode. The steaming function opens up even more possibilities, from fresh vegetables to seafood, all done in the same pot. The large backlit display shows you the current time, temperature, and cooking mode, so you're always in control. The non-stick pot is designed for easy food release, so your meals slide out effortlessly, and cleanup is quick with no stubborn residue. The brushed stainless steel housing gives it a professional, durable look that fits beautifully in any kitchen. The glass lid allows you to monitor your food without lifting it, keeping the heat and moisture locked in. You'll also find that the Cook Central is a real space saver. Instead of needing separate appliances for sautéing, steaming, and slow cooking, you get all these functions in one, freeing up counter and storage space. This versatility makes it an excellent choice if you enjoy experimenting with different cooking styles but want to keep your kitchen organized. For anyone who values flexibility, the Cuisinart Cook Central delivers. It's perfect for creating layered flavors in one pot, reducing cleanup, and giving you the freedom to prepare everything from hearty stews to light steamed dishes. It's a tool that adapts to your cooking style, making it easy to prepare complex meals with minimal effort and earning its place in the best slow cooker reviews. Next, we have the GreenPan Elite 8-in-1 Programmable 6-quart Slow Cooker. This model shines with its PFAS-free, healthy ceramic non-stick interior, which means you can cook with confidence. knowing your food won't be exposed to harmful chemicals. The 8-in-1 functionality is impressive. You can slow cook, sear, sauté, brown, steam, roast, and more, all in one appliance. For anyone searching for the best slow cooker with browning feature, the GreenPan Elite offers exactly that, along with a variety of other cooking methods. The 6-quart capacity makes it versatile enough for both everyday meals and entertaining. When you use the GreenPan Elite, you'll notice how evenly it heats, ensuring consistent cooking results across a wide variety of recipes. The sear and sauté functions let you develop rich flavors before slow cooking, while the roasting and steaming options expand your menu possibilities. The programmable controls are straightforward, allowing you to set precise cooking times and temperatures for each mode, so you can achieve the exact results you want. The ceramic nonstick surface is not only healthier, but also incredibly easy to clean. Food releases effortlessly, so you can spend more time enjoying your meal and less time scrubbing. The removable crock and dishwasher-safe lid make cleanup even simpler. The sleek design and high-quality construction mean it will look great on your countertop while standing up to frequent use. You'll appreciate how the GreenPan Elite helps you cook healthier meals without compromising on taste or texture. Whether you're preparing a slow-cooked stew, steaming fresh vegetables, or roasting a chicken, the results are consistently tender, flavorful, and satisfying. The variety of cooking options means you can experiment with new recipes and techniques without needing multiple appliances. For home cooks who value both performance and health-conscious design, the GreenPan Elite is a standout choice. It's a strong contender in any best slow cookers roundup, offering versatility, style, and consistently excellent results. Now, let's talk about the MAGNIFIQUE 4-quart Claypot multi-cooker. This slow cooker offers something unique with its Claypot construction, which provides a gentle, even heat that enhances the natural flavors of your ingredients. The 8-in-1 programmability means you can use it as a slow cooker, Dutch oven, pasta maker, and more, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen. The 4-quart size is ideal for smaller households or intimate dinners, giving you just the right capacity without taking up too much space. When you cook with the MAGNIFIQUE, you'll notice the difference in texture and taste that the Claypot brings. It retains moisture beautifully, resulting in tender meats and vegetables that are infused with flavor. The programmable settings let you customize your cooking process, so you can set it in the morning and come back to a perfectly cooked meal. The non-stick interior ensures that food doesn't stick, making serving and cleaning effortless. The oven-safe design adds another layer of versatility, allowing you to start a dish in the multi-cooker and finish it in the oven for a golden, caramelized top. This is especially useful for casseroles, gratins, and baked pasta dishes. The clear lid lets you keep an eye on your food without losing heat, and the compact footprint means it's easy to store when not in use. You'll also appreciate how the MAGNIFIQUE combines traditional cooking methods with modern convenience. The Claypot brings an artisanal quality to your meals, while the programmable functions give you the control and flexibility you need for busy days. It's a perfect blend of old world charm and contemporary functionality. For anyone who loves the idea of slow cooking with a touch of tradition, the MAGNIFIQUE delivers. It's a unique choice in any slow cooker comparison, and one that will inspire you to try new recipes and savor the process of cooking as much as the results. Finally, we come to the 360 stainless steel slow cooker. This handcrafted 6-quart gourmet stockpot is made from T316 surgical grade stainless steel, ensuring durability, non-toxicity, and a cooking surface that won't leach harmful chemicals into your food. It's oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and compatible with all cooktops, including induction, giving you incredible flexibility. The included slow cooker base transforms it from a stovetop pot into a countertop slow cooker, so you get two functions in one. When you use the 360 slow cooker, you'll experience the benefits of vapor cooking technology, which cooks your food using the natural moisture from the ingredients. This method locks in nutrients and enhances flavor without the need for added fats or oils, making your meals healthier and more vibrant. The 6-quart capacity is perfect for large portions, whether you're cooking for a big family or preparing meals for the week ahead. The stainless steel construction ensures even heat distribution, so your food cooks uniformly from edge to center. The lifetime warranty speaks to its quality and durability, meaning it's an investment that will serve you for decades. The included cover fits snugly to keep heat and moisture in, and the slow cooker base is easy to clean with just a damp cloth. You'll find that the 360 slow cooker offers unmatched versatility. On busy days, you can set it on the slow cooker base for hands-off cooking, and on weekends, you can use it on the stovetop for soups, stews, and sauces. Its ability to transition seamlessly between cooking methods makes it a true workhorse in the kitchen. For anyone who values craftsmanship, health-conscious cooking, and long-term reliability, the 360 stainless steel slow cooker is a standout. It's the answer for those wondering what is the best slow cooker for both durability and performance, and it's an excellent choice for anyone compiling their own best slow cooker reviews. If you've made it this far, you can see that each of these best slow cookers brings something special to the table, from advanced programmability to artisanal materials and multi-function versatility. The right one for you will depend on your cooking style, household size, and the features you value most. I've included links to the current prices for each product in the description box below, so be sure to check them out and see which one fits your needs best. You might just find your next favorite kitchen companion.